Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to fix this PE error on the washing machine. So the error code indicates a pressure sensor error, meaning that the washing machine has detected an issue within the water level sensor, also known as the pressure switch. This could be due to electrical faults, sensor malfunctions, or a blockage in the water level system. So if you want to attempt and fix this issue by yourself, the tools that you might need are a screwdriver set, multimeter to test electrical components, buckets and a towel to catch water, and replacement pressure sensor if required. And now, of course, I'm going to give you a tutorial on what to do. So firstly, of course, make a power reset, turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power supply. Wait for about 5 minutes to reset the internal circuits. After that, plug it back in and check if the error persists. Check the water supply, which is step number 2. Ensure that the water supply is fully open and the hoses are not kinked. After that, disconnect and inspect the water inlet filters for clogs. Clean them if necessary. Step number 3, inspect the pressure sensor. The pressure sensor detects water levels. A faulty sensor can trigger the PE error. Locate the pressure sensor. It's typically near the control board or inside the top panel of the washing machine. Remove the top panel by unscrewing the screws at the back. Check for visible damage or disconnections in the sensor wiring. After that, you will have to inspect the air tube. If the air tube connects the drum to the pressure sensor, if it's clogged, kinked, or detached, it can cause this error. Disconnect the air tube from the sensor and drum. Blow into the tube to ensure it's clear. Reattach it securely. After that, test the pressure sensor. Use a multimeter to check the continuity of the pressure sensor. If the sensor does not produce any readings or behaves inconsistently, it's likely a faulty item and needs replacement. So if these steps do not resolve your issue, you might want to refer to a professional and call them. It's best to call LG support or a qualified technician. So to prevent the future errors, regularly clean the washing machine, including the drum filters and hoses, avoid overloading the machine, and also use the appropriate detergent amount to prevent soap buildup. And these steps should help you. Guys, of course, if nothing helps, just call the professional and they will solve your problems. Well, if this video helped you, please subscribe, give this video a like. Thanks guys, see you next time.